first hole here at the Sheep Ranch is a 517-yard par 5, and looks like you can see about 200 yards out there, and then the fairway just goes away toward the ocean. It's an absolutely beautiful hole so far.
Ah, dang it.
A little bit wide right.
Fading a little bit, but looks like there's plenty of fairway.
Well, I'm walking up to my tee ball.
That's how long you been caddying?
Coming up over this rise, and I'm speechless. This is, yeah, I have no words. Just take a peek at all of that beauty. All right, I'm going to hit a 4 high, bump it up there, and leave myself a good yardage.
How far? Is there room out to the right?
Not too bad, little baby draw.
Tree.
Sweet. All right, Stan finds himself up on a hill in some weeds and
little gorse.
Boy, that was an aggressive swing, and he got out nicely. I didn't think he could pull that shot off. Nicely done.
I can pull out all the bad shots.
Yeah. All right, what do you got?
I got about 180, probably playing 190, even though it's downhill. I'm gonna hit a 6-iron. Got some hurt and going to the right.
Oh, that was pure.
I went a little left.
Yeah, but that was nice.
Sit down. Sit down.
Dude, that just cut through the wind. Nice shot.
I hit that hill. Come on. That was a little low on the club face.
A little bit thin.
All right, Corey's shot over the green's giving us a good photo op at least. He's kind of on the edge of the world. Got probably, I don't know, 30 yards plus to get back to the pin. Oh, that's a nice play. Bounced it into the side of the hill, but it's going to run out a little too much.
All right.
Okay.
Stan's probably got a 60-footer, a little bit downhill. These greens are going to be slow today.
I just didn't even hit that. Wow, that was bad.
Stan at about a 12-footer. Oh, very close. Nice putt.
All right, Corey's got about 6-7 feet for his par, right?
Yes. Hit it.
Did not get
God,
there.
was the right line.
All right, second hole plays right around 300. On the card, it's a big dog leg. You can see the people up on the green there in the distance. So it's kind of cut off as much as you want.
I'm hitting 5 hybrid. 25 degree. Oh, and I pushed it.
And you pushed it right at the green. Yeah, you carried those bushes. You're gonna be right in front of the green, I think.
Going 3-wood, Stan?
I'm going 3-wood. I don't know. Just take a chance. I pushed it a little bit. That's not good.
A little wide right. Probably get much spin out of this lot.
This way. Oh.
That works. So Stan's T-ball ended up on this
70.
this dune right here and
Play a little shorter than that.
lost the ball, so he had to take a drop. So he's going to play off of this grass path. He's got about 70 yards to the flag. Well clipped. Good shot. All right, Stan's approach shot rolled off the back of the green. He's probably got 8 or 10 yards
Not as far
of
left as his
fringe
ball mark.
and probably another 30 feet up to the flag.
Okay.
He's going to putt this thing up there.
Okay.
Looks like a good roll. No turn.
Turn.
Not
I
bad.
pulled it a little bit, but that's all right.
Not bad.
Go, go.
All right, Stan's got about 8 feet left, maybe 9.
Let's tap in.
Yeah. Should have just given it to you. Nice putt. All right, third hole, par 3, 123 yards, a little bit downhill, and I'm told it's a double green, so you really don't want to go past the flag. Beautiful view of the ocean.
Good wait for it.
All right, what are you hitting, Stan?
I'm gonna hit my 54. Just try to get it over that dune and give a little room to run out.
Okay. Smooth swing. Not bad. Nicely done.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Corey's also going with the 54 degree. All right, went out to the right, wind's trying to push it back.
And it bit.
On the green. Not bad.
Live?
All right, Corey's on the front. Didn't quite get far enough left to catch his slope, so he's got about 50 feet here. That looks pretty good. Ran out just a little bit more than he expected.
All right, Stan's got himself about a 20-foot putt after a nice tee shot.
Ow! Dang it.
Good putt.
All right, Corey's got about 10 or 12 feet left for par. Thinks it's pretty straight. Let's see what happens. Oh, just turned off.
All right, Stan's got about 6 feet to finish up for his par. And he rammed it in the hole.
Well, since
Take a
babying
look
on
at
these-
this ocean view from this putting green. I'm told I can't say stunning anymore, so
Spectacular.
spectacular. Okay, par 4 fourth, 443 yards. We can't see the flag, but it just looks wide open here. And he pummeled another one. Good ball, Stan.
Thanks. Nice ball. Just leaking a little right off the bunker, right where you want it.
Yep.
All right, we're just walking off the fourth tee, enjoying some of the view here. And we're playing this in August, so we've got the prevailing wind. It's not a howling day today. No protection up here. If it gets windy, you're just on your own in the open. But this course obviously is laid out for the summer wind. So our opening par 5 wasn't that long, it was into the wind. Now we're on the 4th hole, it's 443 from the green tees with the prevailing wind. So if we come out here in our usual March time frame, this is gonna be a whole nother story for the layout.
160 yards, playing about, gonna hit a 9-iron. Got about 15 miles an hour wind behind me. And I pushed it. All right.
All right, I got 102 with a tailwind. You can see the top of the pin, that's it. Front pin sunk. Get this 85 yards or so. See what happens. Just a little left of it.
You going? All right. All right, I got a 100-foot putt downhill into the wind on greens that I don't know. So here we go.
These greens are slow anyways.
That wasn't nearly enough.
Right there.
I probably have 12, 14 feet left. All right, Stan's got about a 40-foot putt downhill toward the ocean.
Yeah, easy putt.
Piece of cake. Oh, nearly made it. Nice putt.
Thanks. About 10 feet back down the hill. Oh,
A little
close.
too much pace.
No good.
All right, Stan's got about a 5-6 footer here to finish off the hole. And back of the cup.
Thanks.
Nice putt.
All right, 185. Heavy wind to the left, into us a little bit. See what a 6-iron does.
Oh, he pured it. He pured it. That's a golf shot right there.
All right, I'm walking in.
Yeah, got the right club. Feels like the wind just picked up. And I cut it. Ken, I caught your cuts.
All right, Coore came up a little short right. He's got this pitch across the bulk of the green here. Oh, he hit it pretty hard. Sit down. Sit down.
Too much.
And it just ran through.
Dang
See
it.
where that. Not bad out of that.
All right, Stan's got about a 30-footer heading toward the ocean.
Didn't hit it.
Yeah, he's about 5 feet short. Nice putt.
Thanks.
All right, we're sitting on the tee box for the 6th hole, and I can see White Beach stretching for about 6 miles.
Okay. What's our
Unbelievable. And from the tee box, we've got these severe slopes coming off the right-hand side. The winds at our back, I think you're going to want to play for a cut. All right, 6th hole, par 4, 431 yards with some helping wind. Play is for a little bit of a baby cut.
I think the wind's going to be providing all the cut I need. Just hit it.
Little baby draw. Nice
Yep.
ball.
Thanks. Nice ball, Corey. Great line.
Just enjoying the walk off the first tee. There's a lot to look at while you're wandering through the golf course.
It's really easy just to look around and forget about the golf.
Yeah.
Don't say that on many golf courses.
No, you don't. All right, Stan's tee ball. He hit a bit of a draw, and so he ended up on a kind of a slopey lie. Looks like the ball's fairly clean.
147 middle, about 120 front. I'm gonna hit the gap wedge for tailwind. Go a
Never
little
saw
left.
it.
Come on. That didn't go left.
I got it heavy.
120. Going with the gap wedge, uphill, tailwind. Didn't hit it great,
Got
but
it
he's
up
almost
there.
pin high.
All right, Stan came up probably 10 or 12 yards short of the green. He's gonna putt this thing up there.
Whoops, pulled it.
And not bad from there. Probably
Yeah, just
6,
pulled
8
it, got
feet.
it offline. Alright, Corey's got about 35 feet. Birdie here, a little uphill.
Gonna aim it at your ball, Mark. And I pushed it.
Run out, man, run out. Yeah, not bad. Alright, start this outside left a little bit. Should go to the ocean. Oh,
Did
I
not
pulled it.
budge.
God bless. Alright, Corey's got about 4 or 5 feet to clean up the par here. Oh, just burned the edge. Ouch.